The quadratic equation is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And this only works if a squared plus b, if ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so let's solve some problems using the quadratic equation. Some things I would like you to do before every problem you solve with the quadratic equation is to check if b squared minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Because if it's not greater than or equal to 0, the function doesn't have a solution. Okay, let's see if this function has a solution. So 7 squared is equal to 49 and 4ac. So a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 12. So 4ac is equal to 48. So 49 minus 48 will be greater than or equal to 0. So okay, now we can solve this equation using solve this function using the quadratic equation. First, we do negative b, which is negative 7, plus or minus square root of 1 all over 2a. So this all has to equal to x. So this is equal to negative 7 plus 1 all over 2 is equal to x, so which is equal to negative 3. And negative 7 minus 1 all over 2 is equal to x, which is equal to negative 4. So this means the answers are x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to negative 4. Let's move on to example number 2. Before we solve this function, let's do the x squared minus 4ac. So 9 squared is equal to 81 minus 4ac, which would be 48. So 81 minus 48 is equal to 33. So now we can solve the quadratic function using the quadratic equation. So negative b, so negative 9 plus or minus square root of 33 all over 2 is equal to x. Let's see if we can simplify this further. So square root of 33 can't be simplified. Because of this, we can just leave the answer as is, and this should be a right answer. Let's look at example 3. X squared plus 6x plus 12. Let's first check with x squared minus 4ac. b squared minus 4ac. b squared in this case is 36 minus 4ac, which would be 48, and that is less than 0. That means this function doesn't have a solution. This is how you can solve the quadratic function with the quadratic equations. I hope this helps you.